Well, we have I guess a pleasant surprise today. Um, it'll be the last card in this unboxing if you want to skip to it. But I thought to myself when I opened it, hey, I already have one of these cards. But maybe it was from Floodborn, or I'm thinking of something else because this is Azurite. Was it Azurite C? It's the latest one, and I only have 8 packs of these, so I definitely have never opened that card before. It might be the most expensive or most valuable card I've opened because it's worth $26 on eBay right now. Not the enchanted card that we were all hoping for, but 26 is certainly better than 5 cents that I've been opening all this time, you know? So this will finish the Azurite C collection. Best Buy is having some sort of sale for the starter deck. Maybe I'll pop in if I have some time today and go pick up a starter deck, since I never picked up starter decks for Azurite or Ursula or the Scrooge McDuck one. I forgot what that one was called. So I did miss 3 releases this year, which is insane because last year they only had one. Oh wait, yeah, look at that. We had 2 good cards in in this pack as well. The Genie was way more valuable than I thought it would be. And then we had this cold foil of Alice in Wonderland. But yeah, I think I missed 3 releases this year, and we only had 2 releases last year, so it's been going pretty quick. They've been pumping it out. Also, this Moana card is not the same artist as the Moana movie, is it? Because that does not look exactly like Moana. That looks like some other artist's rendition of Moana. I thought the whole point of Lorcana was they were supposed to get the original artist to ink and pen the drawings here. That's what I thought I was buying. So I was disappointed with it because Moana is my favorite Disney movie. And I just saw Moana 2 a couple weeks ago. It wasn't as bad as the reviewer said, but yeah, it's a very, very forgettable movie. And what was up with the songs? The songs were just... I mean, it's like they went on Fiverr and asked someone to just whip something up for Disney and pay them $5, you know? It was just pretty bad. So here it is, the Simba cold foil. I thought I had a Simba from a different season of Lorcana, but apparently not. Yeah, $26. I believe that is the highest value card I've ever opened from Lorcana. Which is kind of sad because I've spent hundreds on this now. But hey, tune in for the rest of 12 days of Lorcana. Or sorry, 12 days of trading card games.